everyone, this is Danrie from Craftofgiving and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share a very easy DIY gift packs idea. To make your very own gift pack, you'll need to find a treat that you want to give inside the gift pack. In this case I'm using these delicious little chocolate shells, and I measured the box to make sure that my gift pack is a little bit bigger than the actual size of the box so that it sits comfortably inside my little gift pack. I went ahead and measured it out, and then using my little cutting board here I just cut it to size. Using a ruler I found the middle point of my gift pack. Now this will depend on the size of paper that you use, and I'm using a 12 by 12 inch cardstock. So my middle point is 6 inches because it's 12 inches wide, and then I went ahead and measured a little bit extra around my gift pack as in the treat to make sure that I have enough room to insert some other goodies as well. Using my ruler I scored the sides, making sure it's nice and straight and nice and flat. Now this is the base of our gift pack completed. So you can see that the gifts will sit in here, and then we'll close it up the top. In terms of decorating the front of your gift pack, this is totally up to you and what you would like to achieve and how you would like to present it. I'm using just this paper with a rose gold speckle design on it, and I'm measuring it on the back so I don't get any pencil marks on the front. And I measured it out to be a little bit smaller than the packet's front, making sure to make it nice and even so that there's a nice little brown border on the outside of our main focus design on the front of the gift pack. These gift packs are absolutely amazing if you would need a quick little treat but you don't have anything else prepared. You can knock this together within 5 minutes as long as you have some things on hand, obviously. Once you're ready to glue your design down, be sure to just double check which way will be the correct side up, so that once you put it all together your design won't be upside down. I'm just using a glue stick to glue down my paper first, making sure to smooth out the paper so there's no little bulges with little bits of glue underneath and all is nice and flat. Again, using my glue stick I'm just gluing this cool design down. That it's like a pre-cut, pre-printed die that I had bought in a set many years ago, and it's just this really old antique looking bicycle, which is kind of cool. Now this is up to you and how you would like to create a sentiment on the front. I'm just using a plain piece of beige paper and using a simple stamp kit just to make a little sentiment note like just for you, or you can include happy birthday, happy Father's Day, happy Mother's Day, anything you would like you can put on the front. You can print this, you can hand write this, you can stencil it, you can do whatever you would like, and I just glued this to the front of my little gift pack just to create a nice little sentiment on the front. Now the fun part, what else can you put in your gift packs? Now whether it's hot chocolate, coffee or tea, I decided to go with this coffee that's in a tea bag, which I thought was kind of fun. And using some sticky dots, I'm simply adding some sticky dots onto the back of my condiment or my tea, my drink, whatever you want to call it, or even you can do like flat packets of lollies and sweets and confectionery as well if you like, and just gluing those onto the inside flaps of our gift pack. Using some more sticky dots, I'm going ahead and adding that to the bottom of my little gift pack, which is the main focus, which is the chocolates in this case, and just securing that down properly with some, you can even do hot glue if you don't have sticky dots, but sticky dots was the easiest thing I could find and worked perfectly. Line it up in the middle of your sort of folded gift pack, and then it's a simple case of just closing the gift pack using a sharp tool. Be careful not to stab yourself. I poked a little hole through the top middle part of our gift pack and inserted this paper binding where it has these two little prongs on the back that you separate and push flat, and it secures our little packet together, and there is your little gift pack completed. In terms of other ideas, you can use smaller chocolates like these Ferrero Rochers and different brands of tea, and you can put anything you'd like in this. You can decorate your gift packs any way you like, where like I said, birthday, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, you name it, you can include it and personalize it to the person you're giving this to, just as a little treat to say thank you, or just want to spoil them basically. Now if you like this video, be sure to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I upload videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. Remember to be crafty with your giving, and thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Thank you. Bye.